to the journey of life, a walk through how Allah created us from a microscopic cell into a complete human being with intelligence, emotion and purpose. Every living organism starts from a single cell, the smallest structure and functional unit of life. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665 by observing thin slices of cork under a microscope. He saw small compartments and called themselves means small rooms. Later, Anton van Leeuwenhoek in the year 1674 observed living cells for the first time. Then at last, the cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann, stating all living things are made up of cells and cells are the basic unit of life. The human body is made up of 37.2 trillion cells. Each cell has the nucleus, that is the control center, which is from DNA, the mitochondria, the powerhouse, which produces energy, and the cytoplasm, chemical jelly-like fluid for chemical reactions, and the cell membrane, which allows materials to move in and out. One of the interesting facts is that your body replaces around 1 crore cells in a second. Inside the nucleus there is DNA, which is called the blueprint of life. Let's see how it works. My friend will explain.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As my friend just explained about the cell, the smallest unit of life, now let's go deeper inside the cell to explore what controls it, gives it, identify and carries the secret of life itself. The DNA. What is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the genetic material present in almost every cell of the human body. It contains all the instructions needed for growth, development, functioning and reproduction of living organisms. Each human cell contains around 3 billion DNA base pairs, forming a long double helix structure that looks like a twisted ladder. This structure helps DNA carry massive amounts of biological information in a tiny space inside the nucleus. The journey of DNA discovery began in 1869 when Friedrich Miescher first isolated it from white blood cells and called it nuclei. Later in 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, using Rosalind Franklin's X-ray photographs, discovered the double helix model of DNA. And DNA is made of small repeating units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide has 3 parts. First sugar, second phosphate group, and third nitrogen base. 4 times: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These bases always pairs in a specific way. A pairs with T and G pairs with C, forming the rungs of the DNA ladder. And DNA stores the genetic information just like a biological instruction book for the body. It determines your eye color and how your body resists. If all the DNA in your body were uncoiled and joined together, it could stretch from Earth to the Sun and back more than 600 times. About 99.9% of human DNA is identical in every person. Only 0.1% makes each of us unique. DNA is that miracle.